Hey everyone, I'm back with the second video about scalping. I know that I took my time, but it's finally up. So, this video will be about finding coins that are good for scalping strategies. In other words, volatile coins. Let's start right away with the simplest way to find a volatile coin. And that is to start Moonbot. Then check markets. And then click on Show Markets button. On the upper bar you can see some indicators. What we want to check is 15 minutes delta and hourly delta. 15 minutes delta indicators show you most volatile coins in last 15 minutes. Hourly delta does the same, but for last hour. 15 minutes delta indicator shows more real-time data than hourly delta. If you see coin here with high delta, let's say 7, then the coin is the best candidate for a scalping strategy. But if every coin here has less than, for example, 2 delta, then you should look for hourly delta. It will show you coins that had highest delta last hour. Even if price of those coins is unchanging right now, it can bounce up or down at any moment. To order the coins from highest to lowest, just double click either hourly or 15 minutes delta. Then to refresh, just click once on either of deltas. Second way is to set up strategy that will alert you and open a chart for you every time there is a price rise on any coin. This one is my favorite and it's faster than anything else, so you will be the first one to know when a coin is rising. And then you can help others with sharing this coin into Moon channel. So let's set it up. After starting Moonbot and checking markets, open strategies. Add new, name it, and set signal type to delta. Then save. Now, copy my settings. Pause the video if you need. Setting the filters like this means that it will detect every coin there is on Binance. It won't filter anything. Now the most important part is to set auto buy off. We want Moonbot only to alert you, not to buy the coin that rose. If you set auto buy to off, then you can ignore sell orders and stops. Now the delta settings. I'll tell you only about the most important ones for scalping detection. The first setting, delta interval. Let's set it to 1000. This means that the price has to rise the percentage that you set in delta price setting below in this time. And now again from the delta price perspective. Here you specify how much the coin has to rise in those 1000 seconds. Let's say that you want your Moonbot to open the chart for every coin that risen at least 2%. Then you set delta price to 2. Next, set delta short interval to 50. Every other setting to 0 and delta last price to 0.3. And then just save. Now you are all set. If you want the alert to come if the price rises higher than 2%, then just edit delta price and nothing else. In my opinion, it's ideal to trade coins that have risen at least 5 or 7%, because it's guaranteed that there will be waves that you can ride. Less than that is risky but possible. So if you set delta price to 7, it will only detect coins that have risen over 7%. If it's a slow day, you might get only 1 or 2 detections, but sometimes when people feel like trading, you get 100 detections a day. And don't forget to press start on Moonbot, set mode to signals, and turn auto detect and strategies on. Then just wait for alert. Third and last method is to use screener on TradingView. This one is also pretty simple. Open Trading View, choose any coin that you want and open the chart. Now click on Screener, set it to 15-minute candles. Then you will see a little filter icon on the right. Click it and just set the change percentage to whatever price rise you want. Let's say 1. As you can see, there is a lot of coins that have risen about 1% in last 15-minute candles, so let's try 1.5%. Now there is only 3 coins that have risen about 1.5% in last 15-minute candles. TradingView also helps you and shows you if you should buy depending on all the indicators it has. And that is all for the second video. Guys, last video will be about scalping strategies. It's the most important one. Specifically, it will be about in what moment you buy, sell, and so on. It will probably be featuring advices and live trading of some people that are very successful in scalping, like Lex, Moonbot public channel admin. For now, I wish you luck. See you in next video.